Does it change? We already know that the Rabaconda street bike tire changer can be used with inner tubes and spoked rims, and we're gonna find out now if it can be used with spoked enduro or motocross rim with a rim lock and an inner tube. Let's see. So I have removed the spacers just to make the hub a little bit narrower, because the hub really sticks out from the side of the rim and the supports might not be high enough. First thing is to break the bead. We just mounted the tire for the demo, so the bead comes off easily. Okay, and now the rim lock is here, the valve is here, and I haven't done this before, so it's interesting for me as well. So I guess the duck head should be positioned right after the rim lock and the valve. I still have a little bit of pressure in the inner tube, just for it to hold the form, and it would not get anywhere between the duck head when I change the tire. Now I will place it here at 6 o'clock, and normally with cast rims we use the stopper pin, but here with the spokes we need to use the strap. Put it around the spoke behind the rim. I will choose a spoke which is pointing down. And it's always a good idea to put some soap water, make it smoother. There's my tire iron. This one. It's here. Okay. Now we break the bead from the top side. And I'm hoping not to push the tube. Okay. And now the sprocket is so big here that I cannot fix the tire iron under the hook. So I guess I'll just have to start this way, hoping that it will work. It goes under the sprocket. Okay. Now it went past the rim lock. Now it's time for the second bead, and I guess I should get the valve inside the rim, otherwise I would snap it. Okay, the valve is now inside the rim, so it should be safe. Now I will try to grab the second bead of the tire. Okay, so it seems it's possible to dismount. Let's see how the mounting goes. So where is the rim lock? It's here. The hole for the valve is here. And I would position them, I think, somewhere here. So this is, I don't need to get the tire into the drop center. Should be the most suitable place for those. Okay. I'm gonna put the strap back now. Soap water to both sides. And with tubes, it's good to start with to get the tube into the hole first. That's why I took the tube out a little bit. Okay, tube is there. I will put the nut so I won't lost it again. I wouldn't lose it. Now, the difficult part, rim lock. And I want the tire to sit on the duck head diagonally so it will start working as it should. Okay. First bead mounted. Now I'll make sure that the valve is straight. Okay. And I think I should mount the rim lock here. Okay. Okay, I will try another way. So the rim lock would not be here, but here instead. So when I pass it, I can just mount the section with a duck head. Okay, so now I got to the duck head section. Sorry, the rim lock section. I will push it in, see if I can get past it. need to get the tire to the drop center just to be able to finish the last section. Okay. And it seems that it did work. However, the valve is at an angle. So, does it change motocross or enduro rear tire with a inner tube and a rim lock? It appears it does, but I would strongly recommend you to use the dirt bike tire changer for that, because it's much more easier really.